let's look at probability. We are going to look at probability, and we'll look at playing cards in particular. We'll look at playing cards in particular. What about playing cards? We have to know a few things about playing cards so that we are able to answer questions related to playing cards. Playing cards are divided into two colors. Playing cards are divided into two colors. But before we talk about colors, what is the number of playing cards? How many are there in a deck of cards? How many are playing cards in a deck of cards or in a pack of cards? How many playing cards are there? There are 52 playing cards. And these 52 exclude the jokers. Jokers are a recent addition. They are not part of the 52 playing cards. So take note. And of these 52 cards, they come in suits or designs. And what are these suits or designs? Our 52 cards are divided into 4 designs or suits, namely spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. Spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. And take note of this. These 52 cards that come in 4 designs, they are also further broken down. There is an S, right? There is a 2, there is a 3, there is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And there is a jack, there is a queen, and a king. Each of these cards has these 4 designs. In other words, there is a 2 of a diamond, 2 of a heart, 2 of a club, and 2 of a heart. Similarly, there is a king of spades, king of clubs, king of hearts, king of diamonds. Our 52 cards have only 2 colors, red and black. Our 52 cards have only 2 colors, that is red and black. Of these 52 cards, 26 of them are red. 26 of these 52 are red. And of these red cards, 13 are diamonds. And the other 13 remaining are hearts. Right? Take note, 26 cards are red. And the other 26 are black. 26 are black. And of these 26 black cards, 13 of them are spades. And the other 13 remaining are clubs. So take note, 26 are red and 26 are black. And the questions could be asked related to these colors or designs. And I'm going to give an example of the questions. All right, question 1. Question could ask to write probability of getting P means probability. So we could be asked to write probability of getting a red card. Probability of getting a red card in these 52 cards. If you are asked to write probability of getting a red card in these 52 cards, the question that you are simply asking yourself is, how many cards are red in these 52? How many cards are red? And like we said, 26 of them are red. So the probability will be 26 cards which are red over the total number of cards in this deck, which is 52. And this will be reduced, 26 over 52 reduced to its lowest terms, it becomes 1 over 2. This is the answer. Right? Another question could be asked. A question could say, what is the probability of getting a spade on these cards? What will be probability of getting a spade? Right? Probability of getting a spade, you are simply asking yourself, how many spades are there in these 52 cards? Remember, there are 13 spades. So the probability will be 13 over the total number of cards, which is 52. When you reduce this fraction to its lowest terms, it becomes 1 over 4. It's important to understand these colors and the 4 designs, namely diamonds, hearts, spades, and clubs. Many individuals have not seen playing cards. I will show you an image of what they look like in case you have not seen them. These are playing cards, right? These are the images of playing cards. With these cards given here. Like I said, an S, normally written as an A, come in 4 designs, right? There is an S of a heart, an S of a diamond, an S of a 3-leaf, an S of a spade, right? Similarly, on the king or a K, it comes as a K of a heart, a K of a diamond, right? It comes as a K of 3-leaf or club, or a K of a spade. Questions could be asked, right? I will have questions. Let's say number 3 of our questions is asking, what is the probability of getting a K or a king from this deck of cards? We are simply saying for a king. Remember, the probability simply says a king. We have not been told which design or suit a king is. It's simply a king. So our question was simply saying, how many kings do we have in this deck of cards? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the probability of getting a king will be 4 over how many cards? 52. And this 52, when reduced, this fraction 4 over 52, when reduced to its lowest terms, it's 1 over 13. This is the answer. And then let's look at number 4. A question could say, we are to write a probability of getting a king of heart, right? Take note, a king of heart. This time around, this question is now different from the one which said probability of getting a king. This one is saying a king of a heart. This is specific now. It talks of a particular design, right? How many kings of hearts are there in a deck of cards? We only have 1. This one here, right? A king of a heart. This one has been identified by design, and the question is specific, a king of a heart. So the question is, how many kings of hearts are in our deck of cards? It's only 1 card, so it will be 1 over how many number of cards do we have? 52. This cannot be reduced. This will be the final answer. So take note, when a question specifies, you need to find that particular type of a card. Let's proceed to questions. We have questions that are given here on number 2, right? Take note, I'll just explain. I won't answer any question, but I'll just explain what this means. Find the probability of picking this 9. It's the 9 of a spade. That's why the image is painted black. This means a J of a heart, and this means a 3 of a diamond. So following the teacher's information and worked examples, can you work out this number 2 from 2A up to 2I on your own? Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.